Okay, Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys. First of all, let's sing to our God, Allah Almighty, who has given us mercies and blessings. May salat and salam always be given to our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who has guided us from the darkness of shirk to the lightness of tawhid. So, welcome to this webinar. In this webinar, we are going to listen to our friends Muhammad Istianto Ilham, and he will tell us about uh, IT material, and the theme is all about make a Parang Wadang website using pure HTML and CSS. Okay, before the webinar start, before we start the webinar, let me introduce myself. My name is Ahmad Hilmi Tamam as the host for today, and Muhammad Istianto Ilham as the speaker for this time. So let's start our webinar today by reciting Basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, uh, for brother Muhammad Isyanto Ilham, the stage is yours.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. Hello, Hilmi. How are you today?
Great.
Thank you for give me a that to
Change.
join this webinar.
Okay.
Okay, let's start the webinar. Okay, so like Hilmi said before, we will make an application, a website from HTML and CSS. We will make Warung Padang website. Okay, I will share you the 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 UI for the website. This is the website. As you can see, this is a simple website that have I made from scratch in with HTML and CSS. The first that you have to have a Visual Studio Code or text editor, and you can coding this with Notepad 2 and the others. So open your Visual Studio Code first. This is the code for the CSS file and HTML file. And before we start, open your Visual Studio Code, and then make a new folder like this. Click File on the top of your this application, and then click Open Folder for make a new folder. Wait, okay, and then place the folder is up to you. I will place the folder in here. Make new folder webinar, and I will name the folder with webinar and then create. After that, you click the open. Wait, okay. This is the view for Visual Studio Code. After that, we will make a new file, namely index.html. Make a, like this. Click this icon, and they will pop up a text, namely new file, and then click and name this with index.html. And then this is, and after that, you have to before we start make an HTML website, we have to write the HTML template like this. Write the HTML uh, double 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 dot and 5, and the output will like this. And then the title, this is for the title for your website. We will name this Warung Padang. And then after this, you have to make a file for the CSS for this web. Click this icon and then uh, give the name is style.css. Now, after that, you have to link the HTML to CSS. The tutorial like this. Click link, search link.css, and then click enter or tab. And this is will connect with your CSS have with CSS that you have made before. Okay, after you make CSS and HTML, we will give the font. This is font, namely is France. To get the font, it's very easy. You only open Google Font in your website, Google Font, and then the click font Google Font, and then search font that you want to use. In here, I will use Poppins. Search Poppins fonts first. Okay, maybe there is a error. I will pause this webinar first. Okay, we will continue our webinar. This is the view before, and let's continue. Okay, we will search the font. So I will make a website with Poppins fonts. This is the tutorial for adding fonts in the HTML. First, you have to get a link from this Google font. So we will use regular. This is for adding the font medium and bold, and then get the link from this this view. This is link rel until here, and copy this text with Control C or Command C, and then go to the Visual Codes again and take the link to the HTML file and in the head tag and paste that link. Okay, and we will use the command with command or control backslash. We will output the command and name it font link. After that, we have to connect the font to CSS. We will make this. We make body in CSS, you have to make body first, and then open bracket and close bracket. And in the tutorial, CSS rules to specific families, font families, pop-in sans serif, and then copy to and paste in CSS to body tag. Okay, it will code like this. And then we will make a header for the website. First, open your index.html for, and then we will make a navigation for the website. And then, first you have to make this is in style.css. Click star and then open bracket and type box sizing, and then border box. This is for the scroll view. When you scroll, your scroll cannot view. Okay, after that we have to code body first in CSS. This is margin for the pad for the depth and height 120%, and font family, poppins, and color 222. Body margin we will 0, and font done, and then height 20%, and then color is for the text color. We will use this code 20222. Okay, and then after that let's go to make a main in CSS, main tag. Okay, this is main for main tag, CSS for main tag, and there is a padding for the part for the padding the content. This is 20 pixel and overflow auto. Padding 20 pixel and overflow with auto. And then let's go to index.html. In index.html, there is a header and main, and then the others. We will code header first. First, make a header tag and nav tag and alt tag like this. In the body tag, you have to make a header and nav. This is for navigation and all. And we will connect this with ID, give the name with ID and nama web. And in the all, use the lead tag and give the ID nama web and herb will copy sekarang Padang. This is for name the website, and give all.link for the nav job. in this. Okay, this is will out list for pengertian, pengelolaan, and penyajian and menu makanan. And after that, we will make a jumbled one. Copy this and then take to here. And when you play this web, click to run web server. And then will the output will like this. Why? Because we haven't made the CSS for this HTML. Okay, we will go to style.css and make a give the name is nav header navigation and then we will use this header nav position fixed. The header nav we will connect to the this header nav, and then for navigation this is only navigation. Copy, use copy for this. Okay, position fixed. This is for for like this. When you scroll, and this is will uh, uh, and then the output will this. This is still like this because we haven't setting that. And then the for the for the fonts we will check to my code navly. Okay, open your navly, click type navly and open bracket, and we will copy this display inline. This style type is for change this none and margin right 20 pixels. And then for the nav a CSS we will use this text decoration none and color white. Color for the text is white. And then you can see this is changed with the color white, and this is there is a text we haven't changed the color. Let's change the color. Hit the header h1 and see your website again, and then hmm, make a class. This is delete, make a class nama web and open bracket, color change it with white, and color haven't changed. Oh, oh, this is of class is this the ID. We call the ID and then restart. Okay, let's change it. And then we will color and text F font family. Yeah. And it change it with bold. Okay, and then to resize the size, the font size, and change it with 20 pixel. Okay, or is the bigger? Leave with 15 pixel. Okay, it's better. And after that, we have make this for jumbotron. Okay, let's go to index.html and use main tag, and then div. This is for make a container for the jumbotron div that, and make a class namely jumbotron. Jump eh, div content. We change it with content id content, and then before that we have to make a this jumbotron for the class, and for the, I will copy this and we until here. This is for make a jumbotron. Okay, this is the view for the website, and then we will make class jumbotron, and then set to here. I think 25 pixel in background. See your website, and you will like this. Okay, and after that we will make this for the first. You have to open your index.html. We will continue for the main tag and fill the div with id content with mm, with the article tag. Type article and name it with pengertian. And then use card class card, and then the article will fill with this h1 tag and the text, and then after that you open give the image. Now this is asset we cannot see. Let's copy from my website first, and then tag to this folder image. Okay, go to index.html again, and then change the srg with image and png, and see your website. Oh, this is the offer. This image is overflow, and we will change it. Start the card class and copy that to your code to your style.css. This is card. border overflow auto, and then this is was changed with the card, and then after that you can uh, change the class with image style, copy the image style and to CSS, and go to your index.html and add the class with image style. Now the image will resize to fit the container, and then we will darken the image. Open your style.css and use this class. Filter brightness 18% and background color 2222. Okay, open your web. Uh, the view will like this. Then we will add the text for this content. Okay, open your index.html first, and then copy the text that I have set to you. And put put the put the put the tag to article with ID pengertian, and then see your website. Now website will the text will like this. Okay, and then after that we make to this like this, and then just copy and copy the article, and then tag put that to this tag div with id with content, and see that will like this. This image cannot see because there is the asset is not true. We'll change it with the true asset. Change the asset with like this image, and then image, and then penyajian dot jpg, and the image will out to the web. And then after that make a article again like before and password that I have made. Okay, will out like that, and then change the src for out the image, and then the output will like this. Okay. Right. And then the website will like this. So we will continue the website. We'll search for the menu. Make a menu and card class, namely card. And then for the shorted time, we will copy to this. The article ID menu until article this. Then paste the code. And after that, change the image because the image cannot out with the image, and this is name rendang and rendang.jpg. Same as like gulai, change it with image and then change with gulai, and then and this is the view for the website. And the problem is like this: we have to make a responsive for this web. Hey, before that we have to give the profile for this website for footer, like a site tag, and then article class card, and then make a table, and then be like this. Nah, to out of div that where we made before and paste the code, and you see your website will out like this. We the name is false. We change it with searchy image and change it with ilham. Okay, and this is for the image for your photo, and then make a footer that we footer and go to your web to VS Code again, and then like this. And for the format for the footer, for the profile card first, like this. Search profile card, profile.png first, profile, mm, and we will copy this, and then margin text menu with margin top, section first, and then centered and margin text menu, and we out like this. Okay, and then after that we have to make a content. Where is the content? Okay, the content float left and width 18%. Will be like this, and then for the card is okay, profile image okay, and for the last is for media screen. We'll use this like this. When you like this, the profile will go down. So that's all for me. Thank you for attention. I will give to Hilmi for the closing statement.
Thank you, brother Muhammad Ilham, for sharing the material for us. Right? We hope this material can be useful for you to watch this webinar. and for all the other people too. So let's close our webinar today by reciting Hamdalah and Dua Kafaratul Majlis. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika. Asyhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.